awesome OPGN. As you can see, this is a great, pretty clean ABCD pattern. Okay, so let's study once again this pattern. Okay, first you need a morning spike. Morning spike is when a stock is going up pretty quick on a decent ascending volume and more than 5%. Okay, on the morning. Okay, just before 10 o'clock, 10 and a half, you will see these huge runners, and then you will find a big resistance. This is where we call the A point. A is right there on the top. So when you find that resistance, you will know that the next step on the pattern is a change of structure in the price. And what change on the structure is? New lows, okay? Is changing. Everybody that took some long position right here want to take their position off, taking profits. And also we have short sellers right here. I don't recommend to trade the A point because it's really complicated. You can trade the next lower high, how do you say, higher low, sorry. For example, this kind of hammer pattern, you can short this thing, but I don't trade also that. So next you have that, a change of structure of lower lows. You will find some kind of support, okay? And this support we call B. Right here, as you can see on this stock, OPGN, we have two times that we test 2.42. So this is B, okay? After you have A and B, C is the most important point and is exactly the point where you want to go long, okay? So I will always put this pink line on the C point because it's the key part, the tricky part. And how do you find C? Well, you need a chart pattern, okay? Like a bull flag, a symmetrical triangle also, and ascending triangle, and in this case is a pretty clean, pretty decent cup and handle, okay? So we have the test right here on this level at 2.75, okay? 2.75 is a really nasty level of resistance in this consolidation. So as you can see, C is in the middle of the point B, okay? Of this downside, we will find in the half of that down rally, you will find C. Like in this case, this is a really nice cup and handle. I usually use the 2-minute chart. It's clean enough to watch this pattern. So right now we are breaking out, and this is your entry price. This spike on the 2.75. Your stop loss, where could you put your stop loss? I don't usually put it right here on the low on B. I usually put a smart stop loss closer, okay? So 2.49 is an actual stop loss on this position and this pattern. So as you can see, we have the cup, the breakout, and the handle, a little pullback. So we need to break right now the 2.92 to watch this thing ramp up. And this is C, okay? We have C. So the next thing that you need to know is D, right? D is right here on the same point as B, okay? So sometimes on the high of the day, we watch a short squeezy. What is a short squeezy? Short squeezy is when the sellers, the short bias traders that short the stock right here, put their stop losses right there, okay? So when the prices start to break that high, you will see an important level of absorbing all that stops. So squeeze up because it's covering all their short positions in a market orders, right? so the price go up. So actually D is a point to took some partial maybe and let the rest run a little more. Okay, so that's the high probability setup. Why? Because we know our risk benefit and we are trading against the smart money. I'm sorry, not against, with the smart money. Okay, so as you can see, we are breaking up right now. We are testing 3. This is pretty awesome, and you have some different points to trade these kind of patterns. Okay, there are 3 type of traders of entry in of all the traders. The first one is at the breakout, so you can buy right here, right on the break of 2.76, 2.77 maybe is your entry price. There are more traders, another type of traders that trades after the breakout on the first pullback when they find some support. So right here you can find a second chance to trade if you miss the breakout, the first breakout point. Okay, so this is awesome. You have 2 opportunities to trade this pattern, and the smarter are the one that want to deep buy all these support. Okay, you deep buy and you have a lower risk and you can take a bigger position. Deep buying is really complicated because you have more risk, more chance to fail into the bullish movement. So right now I will pause the video and keep you updated about the price action if we can break the 3. Right now we are having a natural pullback. I hope we can find some support right here on the 2.7, where is the VWAP. As you can see, the volume is pretty awesome right now, so let's wait. So here we are, guys, again, another fucking awesome pattern, the same as OPTT, OPGN. Have a great ABCD pattern, as I said before on the video. And look at this, we finally break the 3, the 350 and the 4. This is awesome. Talking in a percentage level is almost, you can triple your money, quadruple your money. And then we have another ABCD. Right here is the A, the B right here on the support, and C on the breakout level. Right now we have D at 4. So this is an awesome pattern. If you know how to play these kind of stocks, you can easily duplicate your money. Okay, let me show you OPTT also. This was OPTT right here. We have the first ABCD, then we have the second one. So it's a composed ABCD pattern. The cup and handle right here failed, so in this point nobody wants to see OPTT again like this. This is a supernova, like Timothy Sachs said. Look at this, going up and up, the same as OPGN. 165%, and if we look the daily, it's pretty overextended. Look at this, testing 4.50 is the next level of resistance, and it's pretty overbought. So I think we're done with this one. It's the only one that I could say that was tradable today, was visible. You have enough time. If you see my videos, my tutorials, you can easily do money on these things. So thank you so much.